Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. A positive start to the week following the disappointing Thursday and Friday numbers. Today we got a nice bounce. Volume is small, but on the SPY that's okay. The important thing is that price closed above the 80 That's still something that needs to be confirmed tomorrow. And the breakout point. So the breakout point for me is the line in the sand. If it doesn't pull back, that's the level that needs to hold or at least close above it. And then eventually start stepping higher. We could also be seeing some kind of a bear bounce. However, in the hourly chart, the underlying technicals are still bullish in terms of a potential recovery. So we remain positive. This is kind of the buy the dip kind of scenario. And so let's keep it that way. The support, again, this breakout point, which comes somewhere around 629, 28, and then 620. Targets 637, above that 647, 46, 47, and then 654 into the individual stocks. CALX. This is something I've been following for the past several days. Breakout 2 weeks ago with earnings, good volume. Received a bunch of upgrades, much higher targets, 65, 68, 70. Right now is at 58, so it's got potential. Doesn't trade a lot of shares today. Was 700,000 shares. That's decent, not a lot, but enough. I like the pattern, and now I need to see take out this recent high, 58, which is also some prime resistance. Let's see, monthly chart. Let's see, 58. Let's see, this area here. Yeah, 58 at 2022. But it's breaking out through this high at 2023. So it's a 2-year breakout at 56.47. And that's the number we're going with. And now we need to see the volume and price extending. 61, 65, 68. Support is 56 and 55. RKT, this one is a block order. It needs to take out 1750 to trigger a buy. And it's also something we've been following for the past several weeks. And this day spiked all the way up to 20 and then did a pullback. Technicals remain bullish. I think this wants to go higher. 18, 19, 20, 50, and 2170 are the targets. Support 16. TSEM was a day trade for some of you. Something was discussed in the trading room. If you're swinging it, it's a big breakout in volume, fallen earnings. I like the pattern. This company trades a little bit all over the place, so it's not one of the favorite of mine. But with this kind of channel, it's got potential. Let's see if tomorrow does pull back and give another entry somewhere around 49. Targets are 50 to 60, 54, 60 channel top. And if you accelerate, this channel top could become mid-channel with then 57 and 59 next targets. We'll see what it does. Support after the candle and the 80 And finally, W also reported earnings, popped, good volume. 73 was a resistance target, closed right at the level. And in the post-market is up slightly. Next target is 79, 85, 91. Support 70 and 68. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro Package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro Package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.